So I was actually thinking. Channel. If you're new here, I'm Nicole, and as you can tell by the title, today's video will be another productive vlog. I'm in such a productive mood. I woke up super early this morning and I didn't vlog this part, but I went to go work on a little project that you guys will see a little bit more throughout Vlogmas. Heads up, I will be doing Vlogmas. I know I said it in the last vlog, but I will be doing Vlogmas, so I'm so excited. Also, as you saw in the last clip, or one of the last clips, it is snowing right now, and honestly, before this point, I would not have been excited to see snow, but it's been so cold that I'm just like, if it's going to be cold, it may as well be snowing. Otherwise, it's kind of a waste of time being cold. And I almost switched this pillow because I was like, is it even fall anymore? But my dad says it is fall. It will be fall until late December. But anyway, I just cleaned up a little bit. I need to unpack my bag, so I will be doing that on camera. And then we have to head out because I have a few errands to run. I wanted to get Brittany washed today, but with it snowing and everything, it kind of feels like a waste of time. But also, I definitely still want to make some dinner, and I want to use this recipe book that my parents bought me for Christmas that I have not used. It's almost been a full year. I have not used that, but yeah, so I want to do that, and then I need to go to Pet Mart, something like that, to get some tank cleaner for Passant because I have not cleaned his tank because I ran out of the cleaner. So I need to do that. And then I also just need to restock on groceries in general. And what else do I need to do? Oh, I saw a really cute bag in TJ Maxx yesterday that I've just been thinking about. So that means I need to go back and get it. So I'm going to go get that as well. And yeah, we will just see where the day takes us, but I'm so excited. Honestly, the snow has me in such a good mood because it just means that the cold was here for a reason. Like, she is so cute. It's so cute, so subtle, and it has actually been snowing for the past like 3 days, but it's just now sticking. So hopefully it sticks a little bit more after I get back. Oh, I also want to go to the gym. I am decked out in a brand new gym outfit. Honestly, that is always my motivation to go to the gym. I am wearing what I tried on for you guys in my Shein try-on haul. It is this all black set. It's a pant set. The top is cropped and is long sleeve, and it has a little thumb part. So yes, this is what I'm wearing, and I'm also going to be walking around in this to go shopping and everything. But first, I need to unpack that bag. And I really want to start a load of laundry before I leave, so that way when I come back, I can just switch it into the dryer and keep this productivity going. And I also need to clean my dishes. So if all of this productivity is something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Here's what my suitcase is looking like right now.
I think you wanna get a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna get a reason.
Also, verdict on the new bag. I love it. I love this bag. I really just wish it were a teeny tiny bit bigger. But other than that, I love it. I love the wheels on all four. I mean, like the 4 wheels on every corner. Literally life-changing. Okay, now I'm just looking through this cookbook to try to decide which one I want to make. I know I really want some pasta tonight. So I was actually thinking about this one, just the crunchy asparagus and pasta, but then I was looking at the ingredients and I would have to get so much. Okay, so now it's between this one, which actually looks really easy. It looks like it's the same amount of ingredients though, or this one. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna take a picture of it and then we can head out. I think on top of my set, I'm going to wear this long black jacket. Hopefully I can keep this mindset with the snow and the cold and everything because it's only going to get worse. But right now I'm loving it. How can you look at this and not feel like it's a vibe. Like, this is such a vibe. I love it. And they've already started getting the Christmas decor up. They have already started putting lights on the trees here, and they started hanging like the little Christmas flags and stuff like that.
D on the track. Roy, I love this.
It is so cold, but I'm about to walk into Walmart now. And like I said, I kind of already have an idea of what I want. You see the flurries? Can you even tell? I already have an idea of what I want from in here. So hopefully this is pretty quick. Well, I'm trying to get everything that I need for the pasta. And the very first thing I asked for was garlic. And this one's obviously the better buy, but like, when in the world will I use garlic again? So I am just going to get this one. Recipe also called for red pepper flakes, but first off, I don't even know where to begin to look for that, but I also, once again, have no idea when I will be using that again. And it also asked for celery seeds. I have no idea what that is or where that is. It also asked for chopped asparagus. Is that the same thing as asparagus spears? Now that I got all of the ingredients for the recipe, I can just go through and actually do some really quick grocery shopping. Basically just got everything that I have run out of, and then I also got some other ingredients for some other recipes that I'm interested in making. And now I just need to go pick up some vitamins, and I think I am done in here. Okay, that was very expensive, but I'm not gonna complain because But I really want to go grab the bowl cleaner or tank cleaner that I need for Passant, because I feel very bad that he's been swimming around in that nasty dirty water. I also want to get him some new things to go into his tank, and also see if there's like different food. Then I will swing back here. I'm not going to TJ Maxx to get that bag because the groceries were way too expensive. I'm not getting that bag. That was my bag. Also, the snow stopped, so now it's just irritatingly cold again. These are so cute. It's so simple. I cannot wait to decorate like my apartment for Christmas, because I think I'm gonna go with like the minimalistic type vibe. Like, I don't know, like I want this one, or maybe, I don't know, but they're so cute. I think I'm just gonna start doing like early Christmas shopping for Vlogmas and just decorate, because I miss out on all of the good stuff. I want a stocking with my name on it or my initial on it. That's so cute. Date is called Petco, not PetSmart. Ooh, those are pretty. The cow print ones. Never see betta fish swimming together, which is very sad. They're always kept so alone by themselves. I will show you. Look at all the friends these fish have. Look at the betta fish. It's so sad that they have to be so separated. So that's why I have to make Passant's tank the best it can be, so he's not like bored. I got all the goods, and now Passant's tank is gonna be so clean and so new for him, so he doesn't get bored. Yes, I'm so excited. But yeah, no, so now I'm going to swing by the gym, and I'm not going to show you guys that because I definitely want to make a gym routine type video. So yeah, I will meet you guys at my apartment. Okay, I'm back at my apartment, and I brought all of these groceries up in one take. So now I'm going to just quickly put these up.
C on the track. Roy, I love this.
What is up, you guys? It is much later at this point, and it's time for us to make dinner. So this is what I'm making, if you forgot, and luckily it says it will only take like I think it said 15 minutes somewhere in here. Actually, it says you can make this dish in 30 minutes. So I was gonna say it'll probably take me 30, but since they're saying 30, it will probably take me 40. First things first, I'm gonna put the pasta on, and I got I really don't know how to say this. I'm going to assume it's penne pasta. Here's what we have so far. I threw some broccoli in there because I really just wanted broccoli. So instead of another bag of asparagus, which I think would have been too much anyway. So I ran out of storage and finished it off camera, but this is not looking too good. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, the Parmesan cheese is in a ball, first of all. But I mean, it kind of looks like the picture, except like I guess like the red sauce that they use, like but they only use 2 drops. It says 2 drops of hot pepper sauce. That does not make that pasta look like that. Also, I wouldn't want it hot anyway. So this is what we have right now, and I'm gonna do a taste test. Here's the bowl. It actually doesn't look too bad. It literally just looks so unseasoned though. Okay, here is the moment of truth. I don't know if I told you, but I sprinkled more Parmesan cheese on there since the rest of it wanted to get crumbled up or balled up. Okay, not it actually being good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually very surprised because I made up half of this. I threw in a lot that is not on the recipe, so I'm impressed. It tastes really good. Now I get to clean up this mess. So while I do that, I'm actually going to end this video here. Thank you all so much for coming along with me on my day. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.